Hi, so today I will be doing some more yarn coloring, and I have a lot of yarn that I've got in the thrift shop, and I don't know exactly what materials, what fibers they are, but I'm pretty sure that there is some wool in them, so it will be fine. I can make something with it. I'm just putting on this apron because I'm wearing my nice white dress. I've got gloves on, then I've got my water, I have my vinegar and the Kool-Aid powder, and like this is so much fun. Then I've got these bowls that can go into the oven, and then it's basically about adding enough water and vinegar in a nice mix so that like the yarn is completely soaked. And the thing with these, this yarn, is that it's not rolled into the proper long skeins. I don't know what it's called in English. But I tried the other day doing like some dyeing with this, and it actually worked, because you just have to be a little bit more careful to actually get like the water through completely. But yeah, but it's cool, it's fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I have my water here, it's not completely full, so I'm just gonna add vinegar. And I don't have any exact measurements for it, so it's just like a little bit and a little bit more. And then I have this mix that I'm gonna share out into the different four bowls, and then I will add some more water as well. That should be cool. So I'm just gonna try to place this. And one here. Cool. And this is literally this is yarn that I've gathered from thrift shops. I've been collecting whenever I found any, so it hasn't cost me very much. So it's just fun to see how it goes with it. So I'm adding some watery vinegar, trying to kind of distribute it evenly here. And the yarn wants to kind of float above a bit, but then it's just about using your hands, getting the water into the yarn so it gets properly wet, and then adding some more water, making sure that the yarn is completely soaked. And I think I'll just add a little bit more vinegar to this next batch of water, just to be sure that there is enough, because it's the vinegar that makes the water, the color stick. So I've got another nice vinegar water mix, making sure it goes everywhere. Let's see. Can also turn them the other way, so I make sure that whatever was at the bottom has now gotten enough. Do the same with this. This is a fun smell that this will create, because the vinegar, of course, smells vinegary, and then the sachets of the colored stuff also smells really fruity. That creates the weirdest smell. Also, when you bake it, then it's super strange. You've got to make sure that it's properly soaked. We can't have all the water evaporating. Let's see now. And then it's time to add the color. So I think we're gonna do one that's green. Trying to create stripes here. Just to see what that will look like. Oh, so fun. and it really starts smelling very, very strong. Saving some powder over there, and then I'm gonna go in with the mixed berry on this one. What color is the mixed berry? I think this is blue. I'm gonna add this over here. So for this, I'm gonna actually massage it into the yarn like this, so we get some color everywhere, or try to get some color everywhere. And then I'm gonna add extra sprinkles to kind of create some darker patches. And that was done. Let's try the berry cherry. Oh, and you can see we've got some little splashes of blue that have come on some of the other colors. So it really adds color, this. Okay, so this is very, very dark red. Kind of supposed to be, yeah, it just turns orange. I don't know if it's supposed to be purple, what it's supposed to be. But I'm actually not going to do that much more with this. Or am I? Just going to try to, because of course this isn't, yeah, this is not like very easy for the powder to get into, because this is a very close like bundle. So I'm actually just going to turn it around, and then to make sure that I get some on the top here, maybe get it a little bit inside it. Yeah. Let's see what this will be like. And that was done as well. I'm just going to try to wipe my hands, because as you can see there, we've got a little bit of red. That was not the plan. So let's try Tropical Punch. I don't know what color this is. This looks, let's try a little bit there. Okay, this is actually also red. So I'm gonna save some of this, and then I'm gonna get the mango, because I know that that's orangey. So I'm gonna add this here, and I'm gonna get that out in the water, and I'm gonna turn these around like this. I'm gonna add them again. And then I will just do a little bit of sprinkling on. See what that will turn into. And then I'll put the rest over here just to make sure it's all used up. Ooh, cherry flavor, cherry smell. So did I have a little bit of this green left over? So yeah, I think I'm gonna take one more green. And I'm just gonna turn this around. Mush it in a bit more. Then use the rest of the green on this one. And add some green aspects over here. Add some green to this, just for fun. Will it even show? Nice! and then it's gonna go into the oven, and it's supposed to be on 100 degrees and no air for about an hour. So this is what it looks like out of the oven. It's still a little bit warm, and as you can see here, the yarn has actually soaked up all the color, so the water is clear, which is like really strange, but what it's supposed to be, so that's cool. And now I'm just going to rinse it off with some water and then take it out to dry and see what it looks like afterwards.